Let's study week 22 of Mechanic Diesel. Below are the mentioned topics which we are going to study this week. Description of internal and external combustion engine. Internal combustion engine, it means that combustion takes place inside the cylinder. This definition includes the two-stroke and four-stroke engine spark, ignition and compression ignition engine, Austin and jet engines. External combustion engine, it is that type of engine in which combustion takes place outside the engine cylinder, example, steam engine. Have a look on the classification of internal combustion engine. Principle and working of two-stroke diesel engine. To produce power in a two-stroke engine, the following operation take place in the sequence given. First stroke. Piston at BDC, the scavenging port and outlet valve open. A root blower sucks in pure air and presses it through the scavenging port into the cylinder. Second stroke. Piston at TDC, scavenging port and outlet valve closed. The fuel is directly injected into the cylinder with the help of a fuel injection pump and an injector fitted in the cylinder head. Principle and working of four-stroke diesel engine. To produce power in a four-stroke engine, the following operation take place in the sequence given. Suction stroke. The piston moves from TDC to BDC. A vacuum is created inside the cylinder. The inlet valve opens while the exhausted valve remains closed. The charged air fuel mixture enters the cylinder. Compression stroke. The inlet valve closed, the exhaust valve remains closed. The piston moves from BDC to TDC. The charged air fuel mixture is compressed. The pressure and temperature rise. Power stroke. The gas expands and the piston is forced down from TDC to BDC. Both valves remain closed. Power is supplied to the flywheel. Exhaust stroke. The inlet valve remains in the closed position. The exhaust valve opens. The piston moves from BDC to TDC due to the energy stored in the flywheel. Principle of spark ignition engine. Spark ignition engine. In SI engine, petrol is used as fuel. During the suction stroke, the air and fuel mixture is sucked into the cylinder. In this type of engine, the compression ratio is low. Comparison between four-stroke engine and two-stroke engine. Four-stroke engine. Four operation. Suction, compression, power and exhaust take place in four-stroke of piston. Two-stroke engine. The four operations take place in two-stroke of the piston. The engine has more parts such as valves and its operating mechanism. Therefore, the engine is heavier. The engine has no valves and valve operating mechanism. Therefore, it is lighter in weight. Comparison between SI engine and CI engine. SI engine. Petrol is used as fuel. CI engine. Diesel is used as fuel. Compression ratio is low. Maximum 10 is to 1. Compression ratio is high. Maximum 24 is to 1. Main parts of IC engine. Air compressor, FIP, high pressure fuel, flywheel, oil filter, fuel filter, water pump. Connecting rod, crankshaft, remove the camshaft, rocker assembly, cylinder head, piston, stainer. Direct fuel injection works. Traditional indirect fuel injection system pre-mix the gasoline and air in a chamber just outside the cylinder called the intake manifold. In a direct injection system, the air and gasoline are not pre-mixed. Rather, Air comes in a via the intake manifold while the gasoline is injected directly into the cylinder. Indirect injection. Indirect injection, it is an internal combustion engine, is fuel injection where fuel is not directly injected into the combustion chamber. Basic technical term used in relation to engine. TDC, top dead center. It is the position of the piston at the top of the cylinder where the piston changes its direction of motion from top to the bottom. BDC, bottom dead center. It is the position of the piston at the bottom of the cylinder where the piston changes its direction of the motion from bottom to the top. Stroke, the distance traveled by piston from TDC to BDC or BDC to TDC. Cycle, a set of operations performed in a sequence by the motion of the piston in an engine to produce power. Swept volume, VS, displacement volume of a piston. Clearance volume, VC, volume of the space above the piston when it is at TDC. Horsepower, HP, it is the measurement of power in SAE. 1 HP is the power required to lift a load of 33,000 lbs through 1 foot in 1 minute or 4,500 kg through 1 meter in 1 minute in metric system. Thermal efficiency, it is the ratio of work output to the fuel engine burnt in the engine. This relation is expressed in percentage. Engine specification. Have a look in the given below picture for the better understanding of engine specifications. Thanks for learning with us.